Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on ambient mode with Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So you could see this, following these steps, just go over to quick settings. Under quick settings, you have to click on that and move to all settings. If you click on all settings, you should scroll down till you see the option that says system. Now under system, click on system and you're going to find ambient mode. So you have to click it and you find two options: to start now or toggle its settings. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on the ambient mode. You could also go down a step and modify its settings. All of these settings are customizable. Just make sure you have your account linked and then you hop over to start now. So start now brings up the beautiful ambient mode, and from there you could leave your TV on standby, or you could come into a mode where your content you're watching is not currently on the screen. So that's the use of ambient mode. That's how you turn it on, and you can navigate the settings. I have a video showing you how to customize the ambient mode. If you've not checked that out already, give it a look, and I'll see you in the next video.